Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diana yet with another exciting video. And guys, if you are watching my videos and you love them and haven't subscribed, consider subscribing guys. And to my tiny subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for the support that you showed this video. And guys, kindly let's subscribe to my channel. Let's reach to 100 subscribers. Steady by steady, little by little, we will reach at the target. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for university transfer after you've been placed by KUCCPS. And this only happens when maybe you've been placed in an institution that you don't wish to study at and you want to change it to another institution of your preference. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how to apply for that transfer from that university to another university. Watch this video till the end. At the end of it, smash subscribe button. Let's go. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and then go to your favorite browser and type the word KUCCPS. It will bring you to a page that looks like this. Key in your KCSE index number and then your KCSE year and password. As for the password, I'd prefer you to use your KCP index number or your birth certificate, but more so KCP index number because it's not easy to forget. It will log you into your KUCCPS portal, looks like that, and it already shows where you've been placed. Okay, so you will maneuver through your portal and tap on the tab written transfer application, and this is how it looks. So you will go through the instructions, what you're supposed to have, what you're supposed to do, what you're not supposed to do. You have to ensure that you read each and every instruction clearly and understand. Okay, yeah, it goes down also to the part of payment. Like before you proceed, you need to know what you are doing. You just don't want to jump into things that you don't know. As you scroll down, it will show the university you've been placed, and part one showing your transfer application details. So you'll have to enter the code of the university, of the program, sorry, that you want to transfer to. So before you proceed, you must have the code with you. Okay, you will also attach the reasons as to why you want to transfer to that particular university. So you will type just there is a field for you to type, and you should give valid reasons because some of the transfer applications get rejected. So make sure yours is totally valid. Like even the person initiating a transfer, if he or she was placed in your shoes, will actually understand why they need that transfer. So I repeat, indicate valid reason as to why you want to transfer from that university to another university. So once you've submitted your application, you will be asked to make a payment through eCitizen, and the details will align themselves. As you can see, you will pay the required amount, which is 1,000 Kenyan shillings in US dollars. That is, I think, around $10 or $12. Depends where you are applying this from. But in Kenya, they pay 1,000 Kenyan shillings. And be keen on the reference number. You enter wrong details, then the application won't go through. But I do advise the students to use the long method. You just go to the M-Pesa menu, you key in the business number, account number, you pay, and then you get the message. But the other one where you just tap where the system will initiate payment and the M-Pesa menu comes to your phone, at times it just takes a lot of time and you might not even get that message with the reference number. So I do suggest, or I usually encourage learners to use the long method, which is suitable. Personally, I have used it and it works for me. One time you get the message. So after payment, you click I have paid, and the request will be submitted to eCitizen as well as to the KUCCPS portal. After submitting your transfer request, you'll keep checking your portal if there is any progress. If you can see on my right side, there are boxes there showing the progress or the level at which your transfer application is progressing to. And if all fields or all boxes are in green color, it means that your application is going on well. And finally, you will receive a calling letter. I mean, a letter from KUCCPS as well as a calling letter from the university you are transferring to, with all the details like shown below. Like this status, it shows that the program has been endorsed, but the releasing university is not ready to release you. But that doesn't mean that everything is not going on well. Here, the good news, you have received the calling letter from the university you wanted to transfer to. Good news, and here is the letter. And this letter, you will have to submit it when you are reporting to the school. So if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step as you are